Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright guys, check it out. Behind me, I got a 2006 Mercedes-Benz CLS500. And the customer wants us to replace not only the regular battery, but the auxiliary battery. Yeah, an auxiliary battery. So I'm going to tell you what that, we're going to test it and replace them. We're going to do that today, right here on Astral Auto Repair. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, we're up under the hood of the car. Let's get to that auxiliary battery. The battery's going to be located right under here. This right here is the cabin air filter housing right here. And wait a minute, what's this? Battery in trunk. Oh, so we're in the wrong place. Dang it. Now, let me stop, guys. Check this out. This car got two batteries, just like I was telling you about. One that's in the trunk. Matter of fact, guys, let's go check out the trunk battery right now. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're in the trunk. What you want to do is you got a little latch right here. You got a little groove thing right here. Push that in. Pop that latch right up. Pick it up. And nothing. Still don't see the battery.
Shouldn't there be a tire in there or something?
It should be something, but oh well. Yeah, a bunch of leaves. So what you gotta do, guys, is grab this cover and pick this cover up, and bam, there's
What's up, yo?
That's what's up, yo. The battery. But this is not the battery we need. So this is the confusing part, because this will mess somebody up right now. All right, so we gotta go back up to the front of the vehicle, and I'm gonna show you guys what's up. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back up in the front. Now this is the confusing part, because it says battery in the trunk, but check this out, guys. There's supposed to be a plastic screw right here to go right here. I don't know where it's at, but what you want to do is take this screw off, pick this housing up, and pull it out. You got these grooves over here on the side. These grooves hooks up into those grooves, and you got the blower motor back there, as you can see it well. But look at that, guys, a little bitty lawnmower battery. That is the auxiliary battery, man. And also this housing right here, let me turn it upside down. There's your cabin air filter. So change that if you're changing this battery. All right, now what we're gonna do is take this battery out. Now what is this battery for? I have no idea. You know what, let's ask Civi.
This battery is for the backup braking system and the ECM.
Check that out. Yeah, buddy. Sylvia's on top of it. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys. All right, so this battery right here is
That's
for
what's up, yo.
the backup system and the ECM.
Backing
braking system. Yeah. Something like
backup
that.
braking
All right, let's pop this thing off. And what we're going to do, guys, is grab our Autel AL539B, yeah buddy, and we're gonna check this battery out, check out the condition of it. And I mean, the customer already bought it. They just wanted to change it. We have no idea why. We're just gonna change it, but for our knowledge, we want to check this battery out. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, let's get this battery out here and test it. Looks like so what's that? Who makes that? Advance is autocraft.
So.
All right, guys, we got three 10mm bolts here. Well, two 10mm nuts and two 10mm bolts, one 10mm nut. All right, we got positive and negative. I got a deep 10mm socket 3/8 drive with a 6-inch 3/8 drive extension and the famous Big Bill. All right, let's get this done. Get these out. Bring it down to the side and get this one, and then I'm gonna get that one. Be right back. Alright guys, we got the nut out. I'm gonna flip this up, lean to the side, and be careful, there's little like tabs or something in there that the bolts and the cable screw down to. So what we're gonna do is take the battery out. It's funny, the customer got the same battery, and this one, you can tell the date on it, June of 2016. So let's get our Autel. We're gonna bring this inside and we're gonna test both batteries and show you how to do this, guys. All right, we'll be right back.
All right, so get your Autel and get your battery cables. We're going to test the battery. So hook it up, and then you're going to hook this up to your battery. All right, here is the positive. So we put that there. And we got the negative on this side. Okay. All right. And
guys, you know I ain't good at this videotaping thing.
yeah. So we're going to scroll down here. We're going to scroll down here to where it says bat test. That doesn't mean you're testing a bat. You're testing your battery. Okay. Hit OK. Battery test. Yes. Okay.
Now you notice that said the battery. It gave you the battery voltage on there.
Oh,
12.46. Okay.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay, so now it wants to know the battery type. Is it a regular? Is it gel?
Yeah.
Or is it an AGM? If you look on the battery, you'll see this is an AGM battery. All right, so we're going to scroll down to AGM. Okay, and we're rating units. We're going to do cold cranking amps. And this battery has a cold cranking amp of 200. So we're gonna just press down the arrow button till you get to 200. Okay, and then hit OK. And it's testing. Do you need help?
Heck yeah, man.
What is wrong? What is the issue?
How the heck you be seeing it scream?
Do you want me to record? It says. Now, I'm not sure why it says replace battery, because they got the voltage as 12.46, but it does show 77 cold cranking amps.
Ah!
Here, let's switch. Let's switch.
Now, see if we go this.
Okay. All right. What's the problem?
Alright, so I'm taking over now?
Yeah.
Alright guys, this says replace the battery. Why it says replace the battery, even though it says voltage is 12.46, it tested the cold cranking amps and it measured the cold cranking amps at 77. That's really low. So, and it's rated for 200 cold cranking amps. So that is done. You can press OK to retest, but oh well. Let's move on to the other battery. We'll be right back. Alright guys, before we continue on, this battery, this is the one we just tested, the old one. The date on this battery is June of 2016, like I said. The new one is May of 2019. That means this battery's been sitting on the shelf for a long time, because this is November. Dang it, that's 6 months later of sitting on the shelf. And actually shops, auto parts stores are supposed to rotate their stock. And if not sold by a certain time, they're supposed to rotate it. And
but then you lose money.
And it looks like that's what they did. Alright, so let's check this battery out before we even install it. I went back on the menu, completely out. Let's hook up our terminals again. And again, guys, you can do this with any battery. Okay, let's hook this up. Dang it, wrong way. Dang it. Alright, let's go to battery test. And actually, this one's a little bit lower. This was 12.02. Okay, let's hit OK. It's the AGM. Cold cranking amps. It's already set for us, 200. Hit OK. This is the new battery. It says replace the battery, measured at 91 cold cranking amps. Alright guys, what we're going to do here, we're going to put this battery on charge for a few minutes, to get this back up to par, and then we're going to retest it. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, as you can see, we got our battery charger hooked up in the truck. All our batteries charging up. In the meantime, we are changing the other battery. So what we did, hey Harley, look at this. We got a superstar in the house, Harley. All right, we got the old battery out. No, this is the new battery. I got the old battery out, but Sylvia's going to do a test on the new battery. And this battery is an AGM, and it was 9 of 2019. So she's going to test this battery. This goes to show, guys, you can test every battery.
All right, so we got the Autel again.
Wait a minute.
You good?
No.
In more. There. Okay, so we're gonna go to battery test. Okay, battery voltage, it says 12.6. Alright, it's an AGM. And we're gonna do cold cranky amps, and this one has a 900
Let me see the...
cold cranky amps. It says right there. So we're gonna go to 900 and hit OK, and it's testing. It says good battery, voltage 12.6, measured at 940 cold cranking amps.
Wow, that's over what it's rated.
Right, so this is a good battery. Now we're going to test the old one.
Okay, we're going to get this hooked up for the old one, guys, and we'll be right back.
Oh,
Are you ready?
okay. So I hooked up the cables, and now I'm back at battery test. So I'm going to hit OK. It says 11.69 volts. And again, this is an AGM battery. And the cold cranking amps are 900. That's already set up for us. And we're going to hit OK, and it's going to test the battery. It says replace battery, voltage 11.69 volts, measured at 138 cold cranking amps. This is supposed to be 900 cold cranking amps.
This actually says 138.
138 cold cranking amps. So this battery,
guys, I'm using a different.
No good.
The battery in our camera went dead, so I'm using the phone right now. There it is. There it is. That's low.
Yeah.
How was this car starting?
Well, apparently it's not. He said he has been having problems with it starting. So that would explain a lot.
All right, guys. So you see how we tested that one.
That's what's up, yo.
That's what. Oh no, I should have said that. I should.
Oh.
I should. Dang it, I messed up that one. I should have said, "That's what's up, yo." The Autel check that thing out.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna put this battery, the new battery, in, and at the same time, this is still charging. So when we come back, we're gonna retest the new battery right there. All right, we'll be right back.
Okay, so we've had this auxiliary battery on charge. On charge for about 20 minutes.
Yeah, I'll say about that. Right.
We're gonna go ahead and take it off charge and
Let me unplug this. So,
test it.
okay.
All right, so grab your Autel again if you're doing this.
And hopefully, guys, I know there's the Autel AL539 that doesn't have the battery option to it. So definitely, if you haven't got it yet, get the one with the battery option. As you can tell, as you can see,
AL539B.
that stands for yeah, buddy.
Okay.
So when you order from the store, tell them that.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go back to battery testing. Okay, it says it's good voltage, 12.67 volts. That's good voltage, right? Okay. Okay.
Hold on. How the heck?
Holy blurriness.
I know. What the heck?
Well, maybe if you sit still, it'll autofocus.
Yeah, that didn't work.
See?
There we go. Okay, you know what you're doing. I am not the camera person.
So is
Dang it, went out again.
So stay still, dag
I
nabbit.
am staying still. I'm not even moving. Tell her, guys, that thing is steady as a beat, man. Look at that, a heartbeat. Well,
Whose heartbeat?
Hold on here.
Oh, good Lord.
Man, I ain't even doing nothing.
I need me a new camera person. What are you doing?
Hey, let me go to the other side.
Yeah, do that. That might work.
It just might work.
Yep. There you go. Stand still. So we scroll down to AGM.
Okay, go ahead. Keep going.
Hit
It wasn't
OK.
making-
We're going to the... No, but it was about to focus.
How you know?
Because I saw it start to focus. This is ridiculous. This is so ghetto.
Yo. What's the deal, yo?
There. That's what's up, yo. Okay, so cold cranking amps. All right, this one was 200. So let's hurry up and scroll down to 200. I know. Hit OK. It's testing. Still says replace battery, but the cold cranking amps went up. We were at 91 before, and we're at 145 now.
So, you know, I guess if we charge the battery up more, but see, guys, this is the problem now. We don't know if this battery is really going to hold a charge. We did the other battery, and good thing we did that test. I mean, we didn't do nothing to the battery, and that came out really good. That came over the cold cranking amps what it was rated for. So, I think we're really going to talk to the customer and tell him, you know, we would really rather for him to take this battery back and get a more up-to-date one, because this just ain't working.
Okay. All right. We'll be right back. All right. So today we had a 2006 Mercedes CLS500, and we showed you where the two batteries are located. Main batteries in the trunk, auxiliary battery under the hood. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.